Let's test this thing. Yeah, amazing. Look at that. In this video, we are going to install hood struts for the Honda Pilot. Look at this. Carbon fiber. Nice. So we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna install it, and we're gonna see if they are good. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. Comes with two of these two, they go on the hood, and two of these, one for each fender. Two struts, two washers, and these clips, they come inside there, so you have to remove it like this, facing the opposite way of the strut. Okay, for the clips, do not remove the clips, just lift them a little bit, and then you can push this one, the top of the strut, to the ball joint. Okay, don't remove it. And one thing, you will need two more bolts. Okay, I have two extra bolts, two lug nuts, and two washers. But this one, it doesn't come on the kit. You have to get it from Home Depot or anywhere online. Okay, because we have two of these. One goes here like that, you can see it, and we're gonna use this bolt. But for this one, there is no bolt. For that, like this, we're gonna push this in there with the lug nut on the bottom. All right. Okay, now I installed the other bracket with the ball joint on the other side, on the left side. The washer is in the bottom with the lug nut. Don't put it on the top. Okay, to put this one, you only need a screwdriver. You lift it a little bit, and then you can put it in. Okay, now to install the strut, I removed a little bit the clip in here. I push it up a little bit, but don't remove the whole thing, because if you remove it, it's very hard to put it back. Okay, so this top the top part of the strut goes in here, and the strut, the rod, goes to the bottom. Okay, so let's put, I think, the top part. Let's see if we can see it like this, well, like that. And then I have the gloves because you can cut yourself with this. So I can push it down right there. I got the first one. Now this one, for that, we need to open this. So be careful not to lose the clip. It's very easy to lose it. Okay, and now let me push the clip. Okay. Right there, make sure it's strong, and it's done. You can see it. Make sure it's locked. Yes, that's it. Let's test this thing. Yeah, amazing. Look at that. Okay, the hood struts are done. So let me give you some tips and notes, and also let me give you my opinion. They work great. You can see it. You have to hold it in the middle and it will open by itself. Amazing. But these ones, these brackets, they move a little bit. Even if I tie them very hard, they still move a little bit, like that. All right. And also, this is the option, the spots I chose for this one, because the first one I put this one in here and there is not enough space. It doesn't close the hood. Boom. And it's not closed. Okay, so I wish this one came with instruction which one is where and where to put it, but I think this one we have to put it here. I don't know if it's enough power to keep it open in the second bolt, so let's try that one. But first I'm gonna put this one back and then remove this one, because if I remove this one it's gonna fall. I also chose to put the other bracket with the ball joint in here, and there is not enough strength to hold the hood. Okay, and if you put the bracket facing up, it will hit the hood. Okay, so in my opinion this is the best option. You have a better idea, just let me know on the comments. But for me, that's the only option right now. Okay, it works great. It will hold the hood, as you can see, it's strong like this, and it will open by itself like that. Amazing. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. I got the carbon fiber, but also they have the regular without the carbon fiber. Without the carbon fiber, they are around $40, and if you get this one with the carbon fiber, they are $60. So you can choose. Maybe you don't need the carbon fiber, but for me, I got them in carbon fiber. Okay, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, so these are the hood struts for the Honda Pilot. This one will fit the 2016 till 2020 Honda Pilot. Okay, the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. This is the best way that, in my opinion, is good for this model of the Honda Pilot. But if you have a better way, put it in the comments. If you have a question too, put it in the comments too. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.